We now have the edge of pavements created for the parking lot. So we want to remove the temp object that we used for that from the model. We'll do that through our Modeler pull-down menu under Model, Edit. The Model Edit dialog, or the Edit Model dialog, allows us to arrange the objects that are being processed in the model, as well as remove or add objects to the model. And in our case, we want to remove the temp object from the model. So we'll highlight temp 1, we'll click on the scissors icon to remove the object, and then click process to process the model without that object in it. Now we just have the parking lot and not the temp object anymore. Another thing we want to do is go ahead and add in the edge of pavement along the entrance road in front of the building, as well as the dash join lines that enter into the parking lot. We want to add those elements to the parking lot object, kind of create a smooth transition between the entrance road and the parking lot. We can do that through our edit object tools. If you're using the icons, it's under the Objects Tools palette, and it's the second icon in Edit Object. The Edit Object tool allows us to check and change slopes coming off an object. We have a Slopes tab, change the display of that object, and add or remove elements, site elements from that object. And that's what we want to do. We want to add some elements to the object. So I'm going to click the Add Elements to Object icon, set a highlight color, use Power Selector, and I'll zoom in to the elements that I'm going to add. And I want to add in the dash line and the edge of pavement, and I'll zoom back out and zoom in up the other end, and I want to select the dash line for that as well. So I'm going to add those elements to the parking lot object, and that'll complete our object. Now we just have to add the curb and gutter to the outside edges of pavement, and we need to add a raised curb to the inside islands for our parking lot.